Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel, the channel that provides video resources for your Jeep builds, your classic car builds, and your everyday driver. Today we're going to go ahead and replace the gasket on the oil plug and also hopefully replace the gasket on the oil pan. We got about an hour before supper time, so we're going to dig in and hopefully get both those done, but we'll see how it goes. So join me in the adventure. Alright, so we're gonna, this thing is just finger tight, so no wonder it's leaking a little bit. We're gonna put that under there and open it, and hopefully it doesn't have any fluid in it. I see a squirrel's chewed on my old pan though, and put a hole in it. Yeah, I love squirrels, tell you what. Alright, here's the drain plug. Here's the old gasket, pretty thin. Here's the new one. So we're just going to put that on over there, and as you tighten it up it should kind of just squeeze in there. So that's what we're hoping for, at least. Squirrel chewed on my oil pan here. Not real happy about that. Gotta watch them squirrels. Alright, for the time being we're just going to put this back in hand tight, and then we'll come torque it up later. But in case I need to drop this pan or drop this plug again, when I drop the pan, I figure there's no point in torquing it down. We'll kind of take that socket, get it good and hand tight for the time being. So the next step is to drop that pan. Alright, to drop the oil pan you just got to take all these screws out all the way around, and then this thing just drops down. So that's what we're going to do. And there's some up in there too. Those are hard to get to, but we're going to do that and try to replace this gasket. Alright, to start with we're going to drop this part. The all stainless tells me that this has been dropped recently. Or, I mean, it's not original is what I meant. Alright, it looks like it was spaced down a little bit. It looks like he put spacers in there, I guess to give a little more clearance here. So we're going to go after the hard ones first. I'll need an extension for that. Well, that didn't drop like the other one did. So let's see what's going on. Well, I'll tell you what, the last guy, yeah, that ain't coming off. This gasket maker to break the gasket, and that ain't coming off easily at all. So we're gonna put all those back on. Just do our best, because that's just stuck on there. Nobody's business. Yep, that's stuck. So we're not that interested in changing that out, so we're just gonna button it back up. Alright, so we can't get this down. We're running out of time for the day, and it looks like it's gonna hold okay. So we're just gonna leave it alone for now. If we have to, we'll come back later and do it. So we're just gonna put all those bolts back in and button her up for the night. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.